This is a new normal. I'm convinced, and you see this with every major change we have in our society, in our culture. We saw it with 9/11, how around security, and this is changing the way things are going to go forward. Your CMMS, along with any of these tough times we go through, is not only going to help you with COVID-19, it's going to help you with the next curveball. Get your procedures in there. Get your processes. Rely on this to help you manage your operations. If you don't think you're using it effectively enough, then reach out. The dude is beside you to help you. Lean practices are always in favor. It's always important to try to be as effective and as efficient as you can. It's profitable. It's best for your team. And that can be supported by Asset Essentials. And I think finally, as I'm wrapping up my part here, everybody is in the same situation. The whole world is in the same situation, and that gives it levels the playing field. This is an opportunity. Your direct competitors, and maybe they're on a call with us right now, but if they're not, you're in an opportunity to really best your competition. Come out of this COVID-19 ready to fire on all cylinders and be the best you can be. It's going to be good for your company. It's going to be good for your business. Asset Essentials, CMMS will help, and you're going to hear this phrase over and over at Dude University. The dude is beside you on this.